name is Karan. I'm the founder of the Founder Startup House. Previously, it was called Draper Startup House. My team retention is typically 95%. It's been 10 years since I'm building this community for entrepreneurs. What I like the most is the whole flow, and mostly I resonated with everything that you've been saying, but I've added more layers to after I hear the survival and the flow and the hope, which I felt a lot of people forget it. And for me, it's always been team first and then founders last. Because without them, what is the use of that particular vision or the knowledge that you have or you see as a trajectory to make it happen? I feel there's no competition. Collaboration is the way to grow, mostly, and I've been very successful in doing so. So this only reiterated for me, and a lot of people do a lot of things. The stickiness or the commitment or a lot of things doesn't happen because you're not in the right set of community, the right set of people, and that's where they lose hope, and they must be just one step before that success could happen. It's only because of the people that you flock with. And I build community. I know how important it is to build that mindset for entrepreneurs. So my mission or statement is typically I build spaces for reducing founder isolation. And a lot of people, founders or people who are running their organization, go in this solo or silo modes because they feel that whatever they're doing is in the best interest of their own thinking, but they don't look at it other way. Look at yourself on what journey you're pursuing. So I build the spaces to just reduce those isolations. So because you're with people with the right set of mindset, it enhances. That leap could be taken because you're there in that space.